So my name is Mona Rios. I work for the City of San Antonio, the Human Resources Department.
And my name is Luis Rios. I work for Employee Benefits and also in the Human Resources Department. There was a shortage in supplies, and the 3D printing community kind of stepped up to fill in the gap between the supply lines and the need. And so I just reached out to my doctor out of curiosity to see if they needed any face shield, and within 5 minutes I got a phone call from the office manager. They said that they'd been looking everywhere and everybody was sold out. I was actually a medic in the military, so I come from a medical background and I understand the risks that they take, and so that was another thing that made me really want to be able to help. The shield that I selected is approved by the National Institute for Health. And so it takes a little bit longer to print, it takes a little bit more material, but I felt that the added protection was worth it. I can print probably about 30 in a day.
We actually delivered them in person.
They were busy, but they were also very grateful. We had doctors who would run in the office just to kind of see the shields. One of them asked me if they were bulletproof, and just stuff like that. So,
Are they?
No, they're not. We believe that service to others is a powerful medicine.
Yes, and actually we are looking to challenge our fellow city employees to step up and do something that will make a difference in the community, even if it's volunteering your time.
Even if you don't want to leave your home, you can always contribute. For example, the San Antonio Food Bank takes donations online. They can take $1 and turn it into 7 meals. It shows the person that you're helping and also yourself that we all have value to contribute to the community.